everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually bringing you a simple yet deep look featuring the E.L.F. Cosmetics palette. Now I'm not sure if they still have this palette still on their site, so every time I go back there it doesn't seem like they have it there, but I got it for a really good deal like 1-2 years ago, and I'm a little bit satisfied about how this turned out. I will say that some colors are hits and some colors are missing this palette, so this may be my one and only time using this palette. I was going to throw it away, but I decided to give it another chance, and this look turned out pretty well for me, and it may stay a little bit longer in my stash, but we'll see. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, so let's get into the look. So now I have primed my eyes, and I am going to be taking my E.L.F. Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be going into, let's see, this color right here. That a little bit, I'm going to be going into this color right here. Now to really intensify that, I'm going to go into this deep color right here. It's like a very deep chocolate brown, almost black even. So I'm going to go into that and put that in my crease. Now going into my Kiss New York Professional Single Eyeshadow in the color Soot, I'm going to take this and just deepen my eye a little bit more, because I kind of felt like that brown from that palette didn't do it justice, so I have to intensify that a little bit more. Hopefully I do not go too overboard with it. So I'm going to go take my concealer and cut my crease just to intensify like these spaces on my lid, and you know, make sure the lid color I put really pops. funny because nowadays I see more half cut crease looks instead of full cut crease looks. I don't know if I'm going to ever be doing cut crease looks in full again. I did it once or twice, but I am really more into the half cut crease. I guess it really saves the time and the hassle of trying to perfect that full look, so I just rather do the half cut crease. Comment down below which cut creases you prefer, you know? Okay, so I'm going to go back into this palette and pray to God that the lid color I choose will stick and be pigmented enough. I'm going to go into this color right here as my lid shade, and I am praying to God that it really pops. Going back in Soot, I am going to go back into my crease just to further intensify my eye. My tapper blending brush, I am going to, buff out that top, just kind of diffusing it a little bit so it's not too harsh. Going to be taking, as usual, my continuous Creme eyeliner from Radiance. I'm going in with my Colossal Big Shot Volumizing Mascara from Maybelline. So I already prepped and primed my face with my Maybelline Hydrating Primer, and now I'm going to take my Black Radiance Color Perfect Liquid Makeup Foundation in the color Cashmere. Taking my NYX concealer wand in the color Tan. taking my black Opal Cosmetics foundation stick in the color Black Walnut for contour. Now I'm going to take my sheer pressed powder from Colourpop in the color Deep Dark. So I'm going to go back in the eyeshadow Soot, and I'm going to smudge out the lower part of my eye. So I'm gonna go in my Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette, and I'm going to take the color, I'm going to take the color Toby. And the reason I have this look on my face is because I'm kind of not sure how this may go. So I'm gonna take the color Toby and hope for the best. So going back into the Saharan blush palette, I'm going to be taking the highlighter Zara, and I'm going to go in with my cheeks, on my nose, and all other parts that I usually highlight. Now I'm going to line my lips using my Nicka lip liner in the color Cocoa, and you can get on me about how tiny this is. I bought this a long time ago and have not replaced it. I've used this for almost every single lip look when I first got it, and it just matched up so well with all the other lipsticks I've used, no matter what color they were. So this was a very good lip liner, deep brown lip liner. So I will definitely have to make an effort to buy a new one, but for now, get on me about how tiny this is, I don't care. Now for my lips, I'm going in with my MAC Satin lipstick in the color Film Noir. Now I'm going to set my look using my, of course, NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. So So I'm going to go back into my Saharan blush palette and take Zara again, and I'm going to go and put that on my brow bone. Okay, so there you have it, guys. This is a simple yet bold look for you guys. I'm glad I was able to find a way to use a bold lipstick that actually worked for me. I have to say, when it comes to like reds, nudes, and pink nudes, and deep vampy stuff, like MAC just hits the mark with it. MAC lipsticks are like some of the best lipstick. I would say when it comes to high-end lipstick, I will definitely be running to MAC. I don't know. I only shop at MAC for their lipsticks and foundations, and that's kind of where I draw the line. But you know what? I really like this. Film Noir really works. It's like a deep brown, kind of red undertones in there, but you know, I really like it. It's a really good bold look if you're not looking for something matte, but you're looking for something deep, and it's creamy, and I like the satin finish. I really do. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!